In this video, I'll show you how to create AI avatar explainer videos in minutes using HeyGen, even if you've never made a video before. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they lack ideas. They stop because production feels heavy, technical, and time-consuming. Tools like AI avatars exist to remove that friction so you can focus on the message, not the setup. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Let's get into it. So what exactly is HeyGen? HeyGen is an AI video creation platform that lets you turn text into finished videos using realistic AI avatars. Instead of filming yourself setting up lighting or recording voiceovers, you choose an avatar, write or describe your script, and HeyGen handles the rest, from voice and lip sync to visuals and captions. At its core, HeyGen is built for speed and accessibility. It's designed for people who want to create explainer videos, tutorials, onboarding content, ads, or educational videos without needing production experience. You don't need to be comfortable on camera, and you don't need editing skills to get a polished result. What makes HeyGen different from traditional video tools is that it removes the technical steps that usually slows people down. You're not managing timelines, cutting clips, or syncing audio. You're making decisions, what the video should say, who it's for, and how it should feel. And the platform turns those decisions into a finished video. This is why HeyGen works especially well for beginners, educators, founders, and creators who care more about consistency than production complexity. It lowers the barrier to publishing, so that way you can focus on getting your message out instead of getting stuck in the process. If you want to follow along and try this yourself, click the link below to open HeyGen so we can walk through it together step by step. Now let's jump into the platform and see how this actually works. Before you even sign in, HeyGen asks you to choose a plan. You'll see a few options here. We got a free plan, creator plan, and a pro plan. The difference mostly comes down to how many videos you can generate, video length, and export quality. Also access to more advanced features like higher resolutions and expanded avatar usage. If you're just getting started, you don't need to overthink this. The free plan is more than enough to just test out the workflow, understand how the platform works, and see if this style of content creation fits with what you're trying to build. That's exactly what we're going to use here, the free plan, so you can focus on learning the system without committing to anything upfront. Once you're comfortable and you know this fits your use case, upgrading later is very easy. But to start, the goal is simple. We want to test the workflow, get a video created, and understand how the pieces fit together. So for now, we'll choose the free plan and move forward. Once you're inside HeyGen, this is the main dashboard. Everything starts with an idea, and instead of opening 5 different tools, you describe what you want to create right here. You're not editing a timeline or managing layers, you're giving direction. This is where HeyGen feels different from traditional video tools because the focus isn't on production, it's on clarity. Next, we are going to choose an avatar. So HeyGen gives you a wide range of professional, lifestyle, and UGC style avatars. This choice matters because the avatar sets the tone of the video. A clean, professional avatar works well for tutorials and explainers. A casual avatar works better for like social or UGC style content. So you're not picking the best avatar, you're picking the one that actually matches your message. Consistency here is more important than perfection. So when viewers see the same avatar repeatedly, trust builds faster. So let's use a simple example so you can see how this actually works in practice. For this walkthrough, we're going to create a talking head video using HeyGen. So this is one of the most common and useful formats, especially if you want to explain something, teach a concept, or create content without being on camera yourself. So right here, you'll see a prompt box where HeyGen asks you to describe your video idea. So this is the core of how the platform works. Instead of manually building scenes, writing timelines, or editing clips together, you start by explaining what you want the video to be about. So for this example, I'm going to type something like, I want to create a talking head video explaining how to use HeyGen. What's important to understand is that this prompt doesn't lock you into one format. HeyGen can generate a lot of different types of videos depending on what you write here. You can create product explainers, educational tutorials, onboarding or training videos, social media talking head content, UGC style ads, internal company updates, customer support walkthroughs, even multi-language versions of the same video. So you're not choosing a rigid template, you're describing an outcome. So once you enter your idea, HeyGen uses this prompt to structure the video for you. It's deciding how many scenes to create, where narration should happen, and how the visuals should flow. So this is what removes a huge amount of friction compared to traditional video editing. So I want to go back to to the avatar selection at the top, I want to mention that you can use a stock avatar, upload a photo to create a custom avatar, or even create a fully personalized one if you upgrade later. So the key thing here is that HeyGen separates message creation from production complexity. So you focus on what you want to say, the platform handles how it gets delivered. That's what makes this especially powerful for beginners, small teams, or anyone who wants to create consistent video content without being tied to a camera, a microphone, or editing software. So once the idea is entered and the avatar is selected, you're ready to move forward. So once submitted, HeyGen generates a structured video plan. You'll see scenes, narrations, visuals, and timing laid out clearly. This is powerful because it gives beginners structure without forcing them to edit manually. At this stage, your job isn't to perfect anything, it's to check for clarity. Does the message make sense? Does the flow feel logical? If yes, you're ready to generate. Now the system takes over. HeyGen handles visuals, voice, pacing, captions, and rendering in the background. There's no exporting timelines, syncing audio, or adjusting keyframes. And this is the moment most people realize how much friction traditional video creation adds and how much easier publishing becomes when that barrier is removed. So now what you're looking at here is HeyGen's auto-generated video plan. This is the blueprint the platform creates before rendering the final video. So instead of you manually editing scenes, cutting clips, or syncing audio, HeyGen breaks everything down for you: the scenes, the narration, the visuals, and the timing, all from this single prompt. Each section you see here represents a moment in the video. You have an intro, avatar selection, scripting generation, and a conclusion. So this structure is created automatically so beginners aren't guessing how to organize a video from scratch. At this stage, you're not editing like a video editor, you're reviewing like a creator. So your job is simply to ask if this message makes sense. Does the flow feel clear? Is this saying what I want to say? If the answer is yes, you move forward. If not, you can tweak the script or prompt before generating the final video. This step is important because it shows how HeyGen removes complexity before production even starts. You get that clarity first, and then the platform ends up handling the execution. Now that you understand what this plan represents, let's go ahead and play the finished video so you can see how this blueprint turns into a real production-ready result. Alright, so once the video is complete, you can preview it, download it, or make small adjustments inside of AI Studio. And this is where I want to pause for an important point. Yes, it is completely okay that this video is presented by an AI avatar. In fact, for tutorials, explainers, and onboarding content, avatars often perform better because they remove distractions. Viewers focus on the message, not the creator's appearance, confidence, or setup. So this is powerful if you're camera shy, short on time, or building multiple channels. Now let's go ahead and play the video so you can see the final result that HeyGen generates from that prompt.
Hi there. I'm here to show you how easy it is to create professional videos with HeyGen. First, choose from over 100 AI avatars, or even create your own custom one. Next, simply type your script and pick a voice that matches your brand's tone perfectly. Once you're ready, just hit submit, and our AI handles the rest in minutes. And that's it. You're ready to start creating. Head over to HeyGen and make your first video today.
And that's how you create an AI avatar explainer video in minutes using HeyGen. We walk through what HeyGen is, how the platform works, and how to go from a simple idea to a finished talking head video without recording yourself or editing manually. If you want to try this workflow on your own, you can use the link below to get started with HeyGen and follow the same steps we covered here. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.